Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your oil level on the Mercedes A-Class. Now this will be the same on all the Mercedes of this year anyway, but in the A-Class, this has got the two 10-inch displays. It should be the same on the 7. So in your menu here, you'll probably start somewhere in this area. So I've just hit the home button, and then if you go all the way over to the right where you've got service, hit that. And if you go down towards the bottom, you see you've got engine oil, and if you click on there, it says for engine oil, turn on ignition. So ignition is now on, and you can now see then it's displaying the engine oil. So we're up to the maximum, so it's spot on. That's perfect. Okay. Just a point to note, it is good to make sure that the engine is slightly warm, so there is some temperature in it. You can see we're nearly up to proper operating temperature of 90 degrees. And it's also good to make sure that you've got your car on a level surface as well. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care.
If you enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Take care.